agreement for mobile product provider and for strategic business district owner. Okay, we have here, no, a MOA made, executed, and entered into by and between Luluran International Corporation, corporation duly established and registered under the laws of the Republic of the Philippines with principal address at 1199, Barangay Katipunan, 4th floor, Lemon Square Building, EDSA Muñoz, Quezon City, represented herein by its President and CEO, Ms. Maria Dolores R. Astudillo. Palakpakan naman po natin.